Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I figured we would go through all these spoilers for the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Boxycharm box for the month of December. So if you want to see what you may or may not get, then just keep on watching. Of course, I always like to start with the Boxycharm spoilers. So the first spoiler I have here is the Byro Pro Berry Pore Refining Toner. This clarifying toner is like a reset button for your face, unclogging pores, say bye-bye to impurities, and telling excess oil to chill out. And the best part, your skin feels fresh and hydrated, never stripped. I love the color of this. It's probably just the bottle, but I love the color of this. I like toners. I have a lot of toners that I had to give away a toner. Like, I didn't give away. It's going to be given away because I can't use it. I just have too many. So, but like, I love toners. It's just a step I like in my skincare. I really like the e.l.f. toner. This one's really nice. The second spoiler for the Boxycharm box is the REM Beauty Midnight Shadows eyeshadow palette in Smitten Kitten. This magical palette includes 6 mind-blowing shades and shimmers that can take you from sunup all the way to midnight. The secret sauce? Talc-free, silky, and ultra-blendable formulas that feels light as a feather but pack a punch of color. This playful collection features all the essentials like a matte deep brown and a metallic burgundy gold that are creamy smooth and built for all-day slayage. I don't know. I guess the holidays are coming and they want you to have yet another basic bitch eyeshadow palette. I got nothing. This is so basic. There's barely any crease shades. I feel like there's only shades to deepen up your eye look and really light shades. There's like no in between and I don't like that. The third spoiler is the Odacite Retinol plus Hyaluronic Acid Renewing Serum. Get ready to rewind the clock. This retinol serum is like a time machine for your skin, expertly crafted to help diminish those pesky signs of aging and blemishes. Plus, thanks to hyaluronic acid, your skin stays happy and irritation free. I like retinol. I can't use retinol because when you have eczema, it is recommended that you do not use retinol. So like, I've been staying clear from the retinol. I feel like lactic acid might be a better option. Something like a chemical exfoliating toner, something like that, to replace the retinol. I feel like retinol is just a little too strong for my skin right now. The fourth spoiler is the iconic London Enrich and Elevate Mascara. Time to level up your lash game with this groundbreaking mascara. The innovative curved flexi wand helps to grip onto every single lash, coating them in the strengthening growth active Sim Lash formula and rich black pigments. If you're into separated, fanned out, and fuller looking lashes with a soft, flexible finish, this is definitely for you. I wish the packaging was different because I have this mascara and I could have sworn it was the same mascara and it is not actually. This is the Triple Threat mascara. This is a nice mascara, so I'm expecting this one to also be pretty nice. It better be for the price that it is and that it retails for, is all I'm saying. But I really like the curvy wand. I feel like that would be really good to like coat all your lashes evenly because your eye is kind of shaped like this. So I feel like that is something I really like about this. The fifth product is the Ciate London Extraordinary Brightening Under Eye Perfector. Need a magic wand for your tired eyes? This under eye perfector is pretty close to it. Packed with vitamin C to brighten and hyaluronic acid for a burst of hydration, this baby not only hides those pesky dark circles, but also plays super nice with your makeup. It's a one swipe wonder that's sure to earn a permanent spot in your beauty bag. I don't know if it's just this one shade or if there will be more shades. If you're a deeper skin tone, you will have this as an option, I assume. But for me, I don't think this would work, or for a lot of other people, this will not work. So I hope they have different color options, please. The sixth spoiler is by Rosie Jane Rosy Travel Spray. Meet Rosie, the scent that's all about the all-natural vibe with hints of nude musk and sweet rose. It's like a second skin that feels like you're sleeping in your birthday suit. Totally natural and sheer. Whether you wear it solo or layer it up, it's 100% hypoallergenic, so no worries there. We love hypoallergenic perfumes. I love them.
I have eczema and you're gonna hear about it a lot, okay?
It's just something that I have to work around now. I would love this. If I was getting the subscription, I would choose this. And the 7th and last spoiler for the Boxycharm box is the LMR Cosmetics Mommy Brow Styler. This brow styler is your new go-to for that perfect fill-in fluff. This creamy long-wearing pencil is perfect for giving your brows the love they deserve. With just the right amount of wax and pigment, it's all about that long-lasting, blendable beauty. I didn't know LMR Cosmetics has eyebrow products now. That's really fun. So if you get this, I would love to hear what you thought about it. I love trying new products. LMR has a lot of good stuff. I love LMR and I think that they are a great brand to support. They are a Miami owned brand, so I think I'm a little biased, but everything I've tried from LMR has been top tier. I love them. Let's get into the Glam Bag Spoilers. So the first spoiler I have is the Tarte Shape Tape Corrector. Neutralize dark under eyes and discoloration with the help of this creamy color corrector. It's long lasting, full coverage, and packed with hyaluronic acid to help hydrate your under eye area. This looks so dark. I feel like this is also for deeper skin tones. I don't know if they're gonna have different colors of this or if this is maybe like super lightweight and it doesn't even show up. I don't know. But this is looking really red. So I think that this is definitely for deeper skin tones, but I just hope they have different colors. The second spoiler is the Translucent Beauty Illusion Volumizing and Lengthening Mini Mascara. This long-lasting, buildable mascara helps prime and condition your lashes while also adding insane volume and length. The best part, the wand's twin vortex design allows for an even application each time, no clumping here. Yeah, the wand does look fun and freaky. It looks funky and I'm excited. That seems fun. Everything I tried from Translucent is fire, so I'm hoping the mascara is the same thing because they're just fire. They get it every time. The third spoiler for the Glam Bag is the Nina Skincare Face Oil. This face oil is formulated with natural oils and actives to hydrate and nourish your skin. Combining the wide range of benefits from vitamin E and bakuchiol, this unique formula helps reveal smooth, firmer, softer, and younger looking skin. This looks teeny tiny. I bet you this is like this big. Face oils, for me, I think they're too thick. You know, I like hydration, but I like some hydration that like just sinks in. Oils are just so heavy and they just sit on top for some reason. They never want to sink in. Maybe I just haven't tried the right one for me and that's why I don't like them. The fourth product is the Kvoss NYC Single Blush. This ultra blendable powder blush in a peachy hue is made with a balancing, brightening, and skin cushioning formula for a natural, healthy glow. The antioxidant rich Gotu Kola, a medicinal plant that's known for its healing properties, helps boost collagen production, while summer lilac and thyme extracts moisturize to help prevent wrinkles, loss of elasticity, and skin vitality. I like the color of this. This is so cute. I probably have this blush a million times over in my collection, but it's a cute shade and I figured I would mention that because I don't want to shit talk every single product, okay? It is a subscription box after all. The fifth spoiler is the Shine Bee Miami Dome Blending Eye Brush. This fluffy and domed brush head is perfect for all over distribution and blending of eyeshadow to your lid. I actually have this brush. I think I got it from Ipsy from like a brush set that I chose, and I love the blending brush from that collection. It's the perfect size and shape and it just blends my colors out perfectly. So if you have the option, I'd probably choose this brush because it'd probably be pretty nice. The sixth spoiler is the Ahava Extreme Radiance Lifting Mask. This fast firming mask is made from botanical extracts from the Himalayan mountains and potent minerals from the Dead Sea. It's powered with argan oil, peptides, and Ahava's 3D complex to help smooth signs of aging and strengthen your skin against aggressors. Ahava has some really nice products. They have really nice foot cream and they have really nice hand lotions, and I haven't tried much else, but they have really good products in general, really moisturizing products. So I'm sure this firming mask is really nice. I don't mask enough and I need to. I always say I need to, but I never do. The 7th spoiler and the last spoiler is the Ace Beauté lip gloss. This peach colored lip gloss meets all of our lippy criteria. It's non-sticky, super shiny, and oh so juicy. It provides the perfect finish for your pout and will leave you wanting more. I've never tried Ace Beauty lip products before. I love their eyeshadow formula. I love their single eyeshadows. They're like kind of like Super Shocks. Those are really, really nice. What else have I tried? Their lip liners. I've tried their lip liners. Really nice lip liners also. Their highlighter palette is so nice. I love that as well. But yeah, they have good stuff. I think they're an indie brand, but they are incredible and I love their stuff. Never tried their lip products, so it's a very pretty color. I feel like it'll look good with everyone. So I appreciate that. But yeah, those are all of the spoilers. These spoilers are kind of boring if you ask me. But maybe that means it'll be a good month. Sometimes that happens, but like I'm just not feeling it. In my opinion, not enough to sway me to come back. Better for my wallet anyway, but yeah, those are the spoilers. Please let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for always watching and supporting me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye! The first spoiler I have here is the Byro Pro Berry Pro Ref. The first spoiler, oh my god, like a deep brown, expertly crafted to help diminish those pesky signs of aging. The Wand's Twin Vortex. The fourth spoiler is the Kovas New York Single Blush. I hope I'm saying that right. It's really a weird name. Kovas NYC Single Blush. They have really nice foot lotion. Brave freeze.